come to Florida. All right, you got to try to get over here in September next time. Work, go! Great day to play some football, man. Sir. It's a great day to play some football, man.
Early movement off the right side. It's a free play for the Patriots as Maye drops back off the back foot, lobs one toward the end zone. This ball is going to be caught at the goal line and rolling in. It's a touchdown. Pop Douglas.